But them cuss, but them go and complain. When up them pressure coming out if again.
I have a message for Vybz Kartel. Don't make the mistake of calling up Alkaline name or dropping any shades on Alkaline, because that is when your career is going to.
Adija Pama, when I ask you, you don't check for Stitchie. You just ask a question. But you see all them $4 million where you see a Khago go party with, and them 30 buckle there, and them 10 buckle and more, and it's 30 buckle and it's and 20 buckle and more.
So now people, respect for tuning into another video. And from when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the agenda today. You see me I say, and people right now we see we're in which Vybz Kartel is getting a lot of bash on social media from Stitchie fans them. You see me I say, and basically the people them I say, instead of Vybz Kartel spending all of these money on the NSC and him carry $4 million go party and so forth, why not donate to the Stitchie GoFundMe? You see me I say, for help out Stitchie cause, because we all know that Stitchie is a legend in a dancehall. You see me I say, and reggae overall. You see me I say, yes, Stitchie is one of the foundation. And basically right now people are call upon Vybz Kartel for kind of give a helping hand to Stitchie. You see me I say, and Vybz Kartel also responded. You see me I say, yeah, and basically to all the people them and make it look it like them I say, yo, Vybz Kartel, if you do this and if you do that, man, cause at the end of the day you can't waste money over here so while you can't save a life over here. So which all of this is true, people. You see me I say, but at the end of the day you can't tell a man how to spending money. You don't know, so Vybz Kartel was also in film situation to just the same where the artist is in a prison for almost 13 years. You see me I say, and at the end of the day where Vybz Kartel goodly a look upon just to see. Did Stitchie ever contact Vybz Kartel in prison? You see me I say, is Vybz Kartel and Stitchie a friend or something like that? Even though you're a person who really have to be a friend for your help them. You see me I say, but it's all up to Vybz Kartel if him want to help Stitchie or not. You see me I say, and nobody can beat him on that. If him help Stitchie, yeah, it's a good thing. And if him not help Stitchie, you cannot beat him down because it's film hard earned money. You see me I say, and Vybz Kartel just come out and kind of, you know, enjoy himself and so forth. So we all know that the artists have the resources and the means necessary to help Stitchie, as I say, and it's all up to him if the artist want to do that. But basically people, we have a Stitchie fan here that is sending a message to Vybz Kartel. So I want to check out the video and tell me what you think about it down into the comment section.
Adija Pama, when I ask you, you don't check for Stitchie. You just ask a question. When I say, see, I'm not going to tell you how to live a lifestyle. I'm like how you live a lifestyle when you come out of jail. But I'm not going to tell you how to live a lifestyle. But you see all them $4 million where you see a Khago go party with, and them 30 buckle there, and them 10 buckle and more, and it's 30 buckle and it's and 20 buckle and more. May I ask you if you can cut it short the one of the party night and send a donation to Stitchie. He's a foundation artist, you know. Him set the place for you, you know. Cause him, your bounty killer, your father come and say Stitchie is a legend, and him set the place for him, and him set it for you. So when I say Vybz Kartel, I'm not going to tell you to live, how you live your lifestyle and how you spend your money, because you work your money. Me that give you 50 US or $100, but me don't know nothing about computer. Me not tell lie. So me don't know how to send it. What me I say, Adija Palmer, reach out to Stitchie. He's a legend in the business. Him set the foundation for Bounty, and the Bounty set it for you. And me see the money where you give the money, them have health and strength, can party and work. So when me I say, you can cut them things short. I don't say if you buy them a drink or buy your friend a drink, you know. But cut it short and say if you can reach out to Lieutenant Stitchie. You come out of prison and my sister, you believe in a God. And you put it right up as so. Love God. And if you love God, you're going to love Stitchie, because Stitchie is a man of God. And he's a gospel writer, gospel singer. He left out of the DJ world and a gospel singer. He never used to make no money back in a film days. He make money, you know, but he now make no money like how them a generation and make money. But me I beg you, I don't want your friend them bash me. And I don't want the Gaza nation bash me. Because I love Gaza nation. Yeah man, I sleep and dream about Gaza nation. A Gaza election. A Gaza National People's Party election. That's what I call it. I mean them I did that, chef. 181%. But general, reach out to Stitchie.
So basically people, what do you think about what this individual is saying? You see me I say, because at the end of the day it's a good gesture. I'm big up this individual to just the same, because at the end of the day it's a good thing him do. You see me I say, but at the end of the day him stating in him video say him not tell Vybz Kartel how to live him life or how to spend him money. But really and truly that him do, because him watch the money where the man has spent and enjoy himself. Because remember, you know, people, Vybz Kartel has been locked away for almost 13 years, as we said before. You see me I say, a long time the man and enjoy himself. So for him come out and do that right now where him have the money where him can support him own thing. Yeah, me not think a man for really kinda watch that. You see me I say and I say, yo, him a do this and him a do that with him money when him coulda do this. It's all up to Vybz Kartel and it's all Vybz Kartel option if him want to help Stitchie or not. You see me I say. But at the end of the day, me not bash this individual. But I've also seen on the internet where other individuals are bashing him. You see me I say, and enough people I say at the end of the day, what Stitchie do with fee money, you see me I say, and Stitchie never remember Vybz Kartel when Vybz Kartel did in a fee problem. And basically you don't know, there's a lot of things where the people them must say, you see me I say. But people basically also see where in which dancehall artist Khago adjust the situation. So check out this video.
All the way are hypocrite, you know, but sometimes all hypocrite have to talk truth. I see all out who jump past if Kartel go look for Stitchie. Stitchie did go look for Kartel. But you know I don't expect if you come out of my mouth.
Well, basically, people are Fox Khago attack, you see me saying, and that is the same question I asked. Did Stitchie ever support Vybz Kartel while Vybz Kartel was in prison, etc.? You see me say, and at the end of the day, enough people are bash Vybz Kartel to just the same. And I say, at the end of the day, if I did want a Vybz Kartel friend, he would have do it and so forth. You see me say, and it's just like a be a bad mind come to the artist way. But basically, Vybz Kartel reacted, and this is what Vybz Kartel have to say to all of the naysayers, them way, you know, basically out there I call up him name, everything is Vybz Kartel. It's like Vybz Kartel is mustering to how him name a call. You see me I say, but anyway, check out Vybz Kartel response.
When bad mind people see Jesus I walk on water, hear them now? Oh, I true him can't swim. When bad mind people see Jesus I heal the blind, hear them now? Oh, I true him can't heal the deaf. So if bad man, a bad man, I'll God himself. Who is me and you for them no bad man?
Yeah, so that is it, people. Vybz Kartel message to all of the people them where I call up him name. You see me I say, and really and truly, as I say, it would be a good thing for the artist help Stitchie, but at the end of the day, it's up to the man. You see me I say, and nobody can tell the man what to do with the money. But people, we also see where in which a female is sending a message to Vybz Kartel, and this female seems to be an Alkaline fan. You see me I say, because it's like, yeah, she really rate the artist and respect the artist. And basically she say, yo, Vybz Kartel need to refrain from call up Alkaline name or throw any shades at him, because at the end of the day, if Vybz Kartel continue Alkaline, I got done him career and cancel him. You see me I say, and she say a bag of thing, people. So basically I want to check it out and form on own opinions down into the comment section. You see me I say.
I have a message for Vybz Kartel. Don't make the mistake of calling up Alkaline name or dropping any shades on Alkaline, because that is when your career is going to end. Because Alkaline rudeness is on a whole other level, and his smarts is on a whole dimension. Okay, do not make that mistake. As much as you're king of dancehall, remember, if you do that, you're done. I know you know better. Now, I'm also going to say that the only artist that found their footing in dancehall by using social media is Alkaline. But guess what? He's a genius. So he doesn't overexpose himself. You don't know if Vybz Kartel, you don't know if Alkaline have a child. You don't know if he's broke. You only hear about it in his music, but you don't get to see it. That's what makes him a genius. That's what makes him different. Yes, so it's not about comparing you to the artist, but people want to undermine and discriminate against Alkaline to make it seem like he's a simpleton, and he's not a simpleton. He is a genius. He is responsible for his own career, and that is why a lot of people in dancehall do not like him. He single-handedly built himself and stood up in Babylon, you know, dancehall Babylon, with all the hate and discrimination that he got, and came out as a champion. So don't make the mistake, because the ones who did in the past, they're cancelled. And as big as you are, as much as you stand in dancehall as the king, he is a prince at least. And if you're a prince, that means you're getting ready to rule the throne at some point. Okay? Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't even make that mistake, because Alkaline is waiting for you.
So basically, people, according to this Empress, Alkaline is at least the prince of dancehall. You see me I say? And for all of the Gaza fans and the Vendetta fans, yeah, I want to share your thoughts on that down into the comment section. You see me I say? And basically, people, in my own personal opinion, I agree and disagree with some of the things that this female is saying. You see me I say? I totally disagree with when she stated that if Vybz Kartel throw any shades at Alkaline or call up Alkaline name, Alkaline I got done Vybz Kartel career. No, it's not so it go. You see me I say? And it's not easy for done Vybz Kartel career. You see me I say? Me nah say in the future one no can do it, but to it go right now, a Vybz Kartel are the king of dancehall and him a run dancehall. It's not easy to take the king off of him throne. You see me I say? And people, I also agree with her when she stated that Alkaline is kind of private. You see me I say, yeah, Alkaline, we all know that if you don't go Alkaline stage show them, yeah, basically you cannot see the artist. And really and truly the artist barely post on social media, etc. You see me I say, so Alkaline kind of lock himself from society. You see me I say, and this cartel come and show enough of the artists them say, watch you know, this is the way how to do it, you know, have to interact with you know, fans, etc. You see me I say. And basically I've also seen where in which DJ Boom Boom is stating the same thing on a previous show that he was. You see me I say, he must say, yo, enough of the artists them a lock with themselves from the fans. You see me I say, and Kartel come from prison and Kartel has show them up. But basically check out this small clip.
Oh, you have to be a hiding star. Kartel come around now and show them up. And mix and mingle with the people them. Oh, you have to be a star. And your fans them only can see you when you get on a stage show and perform. And everybody have these. And everybody can pay $5 and $10 to soul. Come in on the streets, bro. And take picture with the people them. Love them. Some of them boys it's all about money. But not blood clot of the people them. I think that company world can't go on by Kartel.
Yes, so that is it, people. You see me I say, and in my own personal opinion, yeah, as an artist, you can't lock with yourself from your fans them. You see me I say, yeah, you have to communicate with your fans them, and also make your fans them can see you, just like how you see Vybz Kartel interact with him fans them just to see him. You see me I say, I say you have to do it like Vybz Kartel, but you cannot just hide with yourself from the people them. You see me I say, people, while on the Alkaline topic, we see where in which Alkaline submitted one of his single, which is entitled Lef Eh Game for Grammy nomination. You see me I say,
But them go and complain. When up them pressure coming now, Lef Eh Game.
and basically the artist submitted for 3 categories. You see me I say, and these categories are Record of the Year and also Song of the Year and Best Global Music Performance. You see me I say, and you don't know, big up to Alkaline to say the way, and you don't know which the artist look. You see me I say, because these categories are like international categories. You see me I say, and for the artist get nominated or even win these categories, it would be a huge thing for the artist. You see me I say, so you don't know, big up to Alkaline, and people want to know drop on the thoughts and all of this one seen at the video. You see me I say, also remember to give this video a like, yes, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest from Flava Media Entertainment TV. But you don't know how we do the thing already, people. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.